There are two ways to create a folder. You can either choose to create a folder by using the right-click in the navigation tree, which will select the folder's location in the department selected. Or you can use the File menu and create a folder. However, when you use the File menu, you will have to set the location of the folder by using the Choose Location button. Select one of the 6 folder classes and press OK. The folder's property data exists in 2 places, on the Properties tab and on the control bar. The Properties tab contains the data fields that identify, classify, and locate the new folder in the database. The ID is a system-generated identifier that is unique to the folder you are creating. The name you give a folder must be unique within the division where the folder is going to be located. Like all fields in DocSavy, a folder's name is searchable, so make sure to use keywords to identify the folder's content. Every folder must be of a type. Unless the folder is of a type listed in the drop-down box, use the default folder type that is named after its respective class. When using the default folder class, make sure the name that you give the folder includes the type of folder you are creating. The username field displays the name of the user who created the folder. The created field displays the date the folder was created. This cannot be edited. The user date is by default populated with the same date as the created field, but you can change it to any date you would like. Each company can set their own guidelines for the use of this field. The company and division fields show the location of the folder. They can only be modified when you are creating a folder, not editing it. If a folder was created by using the right-click menu in the navigation tree, the location will be set to the department and the department will be linked within the folder. Every folder must have at least one department. To choose a new location, select the Choose Location button. A pop-up menu will appear with a tree viewer. Select the department to locate your folder and click OK. The control bar contains your status combo box as well as other features. Statuses are created by the system administrator when the folder types are created. Statuses can indicate where a folder is in its business life cycle. If no department has been added to the folder, there will be no status options available in the combo box. The chat buttons are used for adding chat items to a folder. The Add Department button allows you to add more departments to the folder. The Remove Department button allows you to remove departments from the folder. When a department is added to a folder, a tab for that department will be added. A department is made up of budgets and users. Department users are given roles that give permissions and responsibilities within the folder. The Budget tab displays the budget items in the data grid. You can click the Cancel button to exit out of the folder. A pop-up window will appear notifying you of any unsafe changes. This will appear anytime you perform an action that may result in the loss of any unsaved data. The Save button will save a folder into the DocSavy database. Notice that after the document is saved, the Save and Cancel buttons have been replaced by the Edit button. There are 6 folder classes you can choose from when creating a folder. Select any of these classes to learn more.